Oh, hey, 3210. Hey, what's up, guys? Now it's nighttime here. It is just after midnight, what was Saturday night. I'm downtown. I'm checking out this big hole with a crane sticking out of it. We are at the corner of Columbia and A Street. This site right here was a couple months ago an old parking lot over here where the crane is, and over at the other side of it was some building. I think it was a bank or something, but it had been abandoned. People were sleeping in front of it, and it was getting broken into quite often. Now we have something else happening. We're going to put a building here. I don't know what it's going to look like. The hotel behind it is the Carte. That is been here for 4 or 5 years. That's a pretty new addition to downtown also. Now let's go see what we can see at after midnight downtown over here. It looks like we're going to have some sort of apartment building here. $2024. This is my first nighttime video. I hope it works. I'm just gonna see what happens, and if it sucks, then that's cool. I will go back to doing daytime, it's easier anyways, but why not? I'm out here. Let's check it out and see what we get. I'm trying to see down into this hole. Right now, down on the other side, I can see into it better, so I'm gonna go check it out down there. This is a little bit of what it looks like. It might look like. Fancy. It's a big hole. I don't want to fall into it. I'm gonna come back here and check this out in the daytime. They've already got some stuff going on. I think they've already built up a level since they started. This hole looked a lot deeper last time I saw it. I looked at this hole before. I saw it a couple of weeks ago. I haven't been by this way in a while. Oh God. Alright, I'm gonna look over the edge over here, see what we see. This is the other corner. Alright, we can see stairway going down into there. Base of the crane, side of this building, which is the Carte Hotel. I'm gonna come back here in the daytime and check this out. But thanks for watching. Please comment and let me know if it's better to do a nighttime video or if it's cool at all to do a nighttime video. Obviously the daytime ones are better. Comment, like, subscribe, do something, say hi, tell me I suck, tell me something. I will post more. Goodbye.